Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, there's nothing a northerner loves more than to taunt an Igbo man. They absolutely enjoy it, and in this instance it's no different. Biafra is buried. Ex-APC presidential aspirant Garba tells Nnamdi Kanu others. So that is the headline. Another Malami poking fun at the Igbo people. So again, the headline: Biafra is buried. Ex-APC presidential aspirant Garba tells Nnamdi Kanu others. So now let's now see what this person from the north has to say to the people of the east. A former All Progressive Congress APC presidential aspirant, Adamu Garba, has declared that Biafra is dead and buried. Garba urged pro-Biafra agitators to ignore the secession movement and look for something better. He was reacting to the commendation that greeted the decision of Senate Minority Leader Senator Nnamdi Kanu to oppose the Senate's approval of $22.79 billion external loan requested by President Muhammadu Buhari. Senate had approved the loan after a heated debate which led to a closed-door executive session. Speaking during the debate, Abaribe had tackled the Senate President Ahmed Lawan for shutting out the rest of the Senate members on the approval of the loan. Abaribe had said, "We are going to pass a loan of $22.7 billion for which we are being denied the privilege to express our reservations. You are putting us in an impossible position. There are some aspects of this loan that we object to. I want to ask on behalf of our colleagues here that we take these items one by one and vote on them. I want to quote one popular saying that he who goes borrowing goes a-borrowing." However, Garba in a tweet wrote, "Our brothers from the southeast are happily celebrating Senator Abaribe for his effective representation. You know why? Because he joined party politics, won an election through the law, so he represents. Most of you can too. Just stop following the buried Biafra trust in Nigeria." So now this is now what this person has to say. I'm not fully familiar with this guy. I saw him in passing when we were seeing all that presidential debate and all of these people were on show. That Showore, etc. What's that one? And this Garba as well. I can't remember. There was a whole bunch of them, including Kingsley Mogalu and the rest of them, Chef Durotoya. So he was part of that mix as well. Just some noisemaker just using that campaign to use as his debutant into the Nigerian consciousness and the political landscape. So here he is now again reverting back to type and poking fun at the Igbo people, which is the #1 sport amongst the northerners. Conversations in the comment section, the Malamis are informing that Biafra is dead and buried, so please move on. What says you, especially the Indigbos? What are your thoughts? Is Biafra buried, as this guy said, or is it still alive in your opinion? Whatever your thoughts are, come share them with me.